Hello, it is your girl Linda of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance K2C Summertime Shy. The song is Summertime Shy. The artist is K London, and the choreography is my girl KEEMA from KEEMA'S KICKIN crew K2C. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, at the end I'll put the step-by-step instruction. Also, check out KEEMA'S instruction. So here we go. Summertime Shy. There you go. K2C, Summertime Shy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.